what's going on, guys? In this video, if you're looking for a text to video generator, then I'm going to be going over a full tutorial of Invideo.ai. Invideo AI is a great option for you, especially if you are a content creator, a digital marketer, if you have an online business, if you're an influencer, if you use video content in any kind of way and you're looking to scale, or if you're looking for easier ways to create video, because we all know how creating videos can be hard sometimes, then this software is going to be perfect for you. I'm going to be going over the free features so that you can get started even today. But then I'm also going to be highlighting some of the paid features that you can also take advantage of if you so choose. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, so right now I'm here in Invideo.io. So the first thing you're going to want to do if you don't have an account already is to create one. So you can go ahead and click the link in the description of this video to go to this website, and then you're going to want to click sign up here on the top right hand corner, and that's going to allow you to create an account and get started. Okay, so once you've created your account and you've logged in, this is the first window you're going to see. And this is where you enter your text prompt for whatever video that you want to create. On the top left corner is the menu option where you can go to your media library, and this is where you can see any media that you may have created or uploaded in the past to create videos. And then we also have the voices option here. Now this is really cool. This actually allows you to clone your own voice for voiceover. So if you would rather use your own voice versus a automated AI generated voice, or any of the options that you can choose from, which I'll show you here and later on in the video, then you can actually add your own voice. Now this is a premium version here, so you'll see that you have to actually be a plus member or a max member in order to actually do this. But it's really cool. What it essentially allow you to do is once you click add voice, it's gonna ask you to upload an example of your voice. So this can be a sample, it could be an MP3, it could be a voice note, and once you've uploaded it, it's gonna clone your voice and then allow you to choose your voice as an option for voiceovers in the videos, which I can show you later here in the editing section. So this is your history tab here, which shows you the different videos that you may have created. On the bottom left hand side here is your AI minutes. So this gives you how many minutes you've used in order to generate videos. On the free version, you have limited up to 10 minutes here. And here are some of the other stats that are important for your account. So your iStock footage, you don't have this option as a free version, but on the paid version, you have access to iStock images that you can use in your videos. As far as export is concerned, you can only export 4 times for the free version, but on the paid versions, you have an unlimited amount of exports. And the storage too as well starts off as 10 gigabytes for the free version, but on the paid versions, you can go up to 100 or even 500 gigabytes. Now, if you ever want to upgrade, you can go to subscriptions here to do that and upgrade your plan. Or on the top right hand side here, you can upgrade and you can see the different options here. Now, this is where you're going to want to enter your text prompt for your video. Now, you can be as descriptive or as vague as you want to be, and Invideo AI is going to take that and do its magic and create a video for you. So let's say for this particular prompt, I want to create a video that discusses the upgrades of AI and how far humans have come with AI over the last couple of years. And you can add more details here too as well. So you can add details as far as how you want the tone of the video to be, the style, and really anything. So I could say something like, make this video inspirational and funny. Now, once this starts, this is going to take a few minutes. Just know that if you have the free plan, that this can take a few minutes. But if you're on a premium plan, then you are expedited and you are prioritized in the queue. Now, while this video is being created, it's going to ask a couple of questions here. What's your audience for this video? And it's going to give you a couple of options, and it's going to take a guess based off of the prompt that you provided. In this particular case, I'm going to say I want this video to be focused towards tech enthusiasts. I want the look and feel to be, let's say, humorous, and then the platform is where do I want to actually share this video. So I'm going to say YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and as you can see here, I'm number 12 in the queue. All right, so our video is all done. So let's take a look at it here.
What's something people don't know about AI? It didn't start with Skynet or Siri. Nope. It began way back when computers were the size of rooms. Picture this. It's the 1950s, and computers are basically giant calculators.
Okay, so far so good. Now let's say there was something about this video that you didn't really like. Maybe you don't like the music, you don't like the tone. Maybe you want to change the language, for example. You can actually add additional text prompts in here to be able to do that. So let's say, for example, instead of this video being in English, I wanted it in Spanish and I wanted a different music style. I could change that here. Now I'm gonna also show you where you can change the music and the videos and stuff too as well in the editing section here. But just so that you know, you can also make those requests and changes here. And they give you a couple of options here too as well. Like you can make the chapters, you know, longer or shorter. You can change the subtitle text if you want and the color, you know, so there's a bunch of different options that you can do here. So let's say, for example, I wanted this video to be in Spanish, for example. I can say change the language to Spanish and make the tone less funny but more inspirational. Make the music more epic as well. So all we can do is we can go ahead and hit generate, and then it's gonna go to work to make those changes for our video. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm actually gonna hop into a video that I did prior to this video so I can show you some of the features that you can do within the editing window itself. Back in our screen here, if you wanna see the different videos you've created in the past, on the bottom left here on this clock icon, you can see the history button there. And this allows you to see the different videos that you've created before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select one of these past videos that I made. And you can see here, this one was about technology and the advancements so far. Once your video is done and you like how it is, but you wanna make some small tweaks and changes, then you can click the edit button. Now it's gonna pull up this edit window where we can make these changes. This first row here highlights each of the scenes and the videos or the photos that are being used for each scene. Now let's say we wanna change the actual video for that particular scene. Let's say, for example, we don't like this for the introduction. We can simply click this scene, and then here we could either upload media, we can upload our own video or photo, or we can actually search the stock library for a different type of video. So let's say I want a video of a robot running, for example. I could search this here, and it's gonna give me a bunch of different options that I could choose from, and I could simply select that one and hit replace. And that's what's going to now replace the video for that particular scene. So we could do that throughout any of the different scenes of our video if we so choose to. Another thing that you can edit is the script itself. So on the second tab here, you can see the script. Now for this video, I actually had it made in Spanish originally, but what you can do here is you can come in here and you can change any of the text that you want to change. You could also add sections and text elements if you want to for a particular section. So instead of choosing a video from the media library, you can actually give another text prompt here and it'll generate a video specifically for that scene. And then in this option here, you can actually change the speaker. So this is where you can change your speaker to a cloned version of your voice. If you have the premium version and if you created a cloned version of yourself, you can change the narrator or to any one of these other speakers that are default added in here. You could also change the speed for the video. I have it set to 1.3, but if that's too fast for you, you could just do 1.0, or you can slow it down depending on the video. Finally, you can also edit the music of the video itself. So here is where you can choose the track that you want to run in the actual video. So you can go through the library here and you can click the preview button to see what music you would like, and if there's one that you feel suits the video, you can simply hit replace and it's going to replace that music throughout that entire video. So that's it for the editing window. Let's go back to our original video and see what that's looking like now. Alright, so our video is all done, so let's check out what it sounds like and looks like now.
¿Qué es algo que la gente no sabe sobre la IA? No comenzó con Skynet o Siri. Comenzó mucho antes, cuando las computadoras eran del tamaño de una habitación. Imagínate.
Yeah, I don't know what he's saying at all, but I'm liking the energy, I'm liking the vibe. It's giving AI is gonna take over the world someday. But anyways, I digress. You can see the changes that I made here just by simply adding in some extra prompts after my first version of the video was created. So super cool, and it's really easy, guys. Literally just typing in what I wanted and it went ahead and did it for me and made any adjustments that that I requested. Now, if I wanted to make any more tweaks and adjustments to this video, then I could always edit it in the editing window and go in and change something specific, whether it's the actual song itself or the script or whatnot. But let's say this video is done and I like how it looks and I'm ready to download it. You can go ahead and click the download option here to be able to do that. On the download option here, you have a couple of options that are only available for the free version. Unfortunately, for the free version, you are not able to take off the watermarks. Now, if this is not a big deal for you, then you can definitely use the stock watermarks there. Otherwise, you'll have to update and upgrade your account. And then the second option here is the Invideo AI branding. Once again, you cannot remove this on the free version, but on the paid version you can. We're gonna go ahead and click normal there. Now, for the download resolution, the highest you can go on the free version is 1080p, which is perfect. You can use that for social media, YouTube short. 1080 is fine. So I would recommend doing that versus 480 or 720. So we're gonna go ahead and click 1080. And then once we hit continue, then it's going to go ahead and download that onto our device. All right, and as you can see, it got downloaded onto my laptop here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like.
¿Qué es algo que la gente no sabe sobre la IA? No comenzó con Skynet o Siri.
Beautiful, it looks good. So now I can share it on my social media or on my YouTube channel, and that's Invideo AI in a nutshell. All right, and that's it for our Invideo AI tutorial. I hope this Invideo AI review was helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like and comment down in the comment section any questions that you might have regarding Invideo AI. I would be happy to answer any questions that you might have. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get weekly videos on how you can utilize AI to build a personal brand and monetize it on social media while working a 9-to-5. If you like this video, then you're definitely going to want to check out this video right here. Don't forget, you only live once, so make it count, and I'll catch you on the next video.